Hey guys, welcome to Fit After 50. Today we are doing planks. Let's not waste any time. Let's get down on the ground and get started in about 10 seconds. We're starting off with a plain old plank. Each interval is 30 seconds long. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 30 seconds on, 15 seconds off. We have 11 different exercises. This is just a plank, 30 seconds, then we'll take 15 seconds off like I said. It's all gonna be down on the ground today, nice and easy. I have the clock right in front of me. We got 10 more seconds. Hold it right here. 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, 15-second reprieve, and we move on to exercise number 2. Exercise number 2 is a straight arm plank, so push-up position and just hold it for 30 seconds. All pretty self-explanatory. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Just hold it. I'm hoping this is the only plank exercise workout that you will ever need. Stay right here with me, 20 more seconds. Seconds, hold it right here, nice and tight, working at core, legs, chest, shoulders, all at once with these isometrics. 2, 1, and relax. All right, guys, from here we are moving to single arm plank. I don't care what you do with the arm, you can leave it out in front of you, out and back. That arm that's not on the ground, do whatever you want to do with it. We're going to left arm first. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and just do it like this. I'm just gonna hold it like this. 30 seconds, single arm. If you put that arm out in front of you, much more challenging. I'm gonna keep it back here because I don't feel like being challenged this morning. 15 seconds left, hold it right here. 10 seconds, stay with me. 5, 3, 2, 1, and relax for 15 seconds. Guess what? We're switching arms after this one. So if you did your left first, do your right, or vice versa. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, other side, and hold it. Lock it in and keep it right here. Yes, the shakes are okay. I got them a little bit too. Just keep it locked in. Halfway there. Keep it right here. It's okay. 10 seconds left. Right here. Right here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, let's see what's next on the list. All right, table plank. Flip on over. I'm not very good at this one. Not very strong hips. 3. Now we go. 3, 2, 1, and bring it up. And point those hips towards the ceiling as high as you can. Keep it right here. I can't see the clocks, I'm just waiting for it to go off. Stay right here. High. Keep fighting it, keep fighting. I am, come on, let's go. Keep fighting it. Keep it up. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep it up. There's 3, 2, 1, and relax. Stay right here. Now we're gonna do something very similar, but straight legs. Same thing, guys, 30 seconds. We're just going 30 on, 15 off this entire time. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go, straight legs. Same thing, keep fighting, keep pushing towards that sky, ceiling, roof, wherever you're at. Keep it up. Fight gravity, come on, work with me. Straight legs. Hold it right here. What do we got left? 10 seconds. We got this. We got this. Keep it right here. 2, 1, and relax. All right, side plank on the elbow. I can move this here so I can see it. Elbow side plank. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold it. Keep fighting it, keep fighting it. 20 seconds left. Don't stop. Keep it up. You're gonna switch sides after this one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch sides. All right, get in position. We have 5 seconds. And 3, 2, 1, and let's go. And tighten it up. Keep it tight. Seconds left. 4 minutes left in the workout, guys. We got this. Keep it up. Don't let these things drop right here. I don't want this, I want this. Hold it tight. 3, 2, 1. Flip over. This time not on the elbow, but we're gonna go straight arm. All right, 30 seconds. You guys ready to go in 7, 6, get ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold it right here. Straight arm. Give me a solid plank. It's a little shaky. It's okay. 15 seconds, halfway there. We got this right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch sides. Next to last exercise. All right, we got 5 seconds left. Get ready, start getting ready. 3, 2, 1, and hold. Stay right here, stay tough, and stay with me. Don't let the hips drop. Keep fighting, keep pushing up. 10 seconds. Stay here, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. 3, 2, 1, and that's it. 15 seconds left, guys, and the final exercise. Let's do the finale. 2-minute regular plank hold. You guys ready? Shake it out. We're starting with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. And just do the best that you can. I will do the best that I can. If I drop down to the ground before 2 minutes, I drop down to the ground. I will shake like jello. I will do what I can to make it 2 minutes. So just hold it with me. We got this. No big deal. Hold a solid plank. Everything nice and tight. Got 90 seconds left. Stay right here. $75 seconds left. Almost halfway done. If you're not shaking yet, you'll be fine. If you're shaking a little bit, you'll still be fine. If you're shaking a lot, hold it as long as you can. 1 minute, guys, halfway there. This is the last exercise. You got this, just fight it. Keep everything tight. 45 seconds left. Let's go. Stay with me, stay with me. $30 seconds, so you got it. Tighten everything up, core, shoulders, legs, butt. Everything tight. Hold it, we got 20 seconds left. If you're shaking, that's okay. 15 seconds, just keep shaking. Come on. We got 10 seconds. Stay right here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. And that's it, guys. That's it for today's workout. Thank you for joining me at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. Take you through these workouts every Monday and every Thursday. I hope you enjoyed this plank workout. Very isometric day today. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.